All right, super cool. I want to introduce all of you to Skyler Rocky Reidel. He is the franchise attorney. We've been working together for now a couple of years, helping with quite a few of my candidates, and we're going to kind of pound out some questions you should have for a franchise attorney in the FDD. So thank you for coming on, Skyler. I appreciate it.
Thank you. No, it's always great to chat with the consultants on the front line and hear about what questions the candidates have. So I'm always happy to help. Definitely.
Thank you. You've helped, I want to say 20 plus, right? I've been keeping you busy and
We go through a lot with you. Yeah, I'd have to double check. But yeah.
all right. Question for today is, what is the FDD and why is it important for those prospective franchisees to not just kind of skim through it?
Yeah, absolutely. So the FDD stands for Franchise Disclosure Document. That is the federally mandated document that franchisors have to put together before they offer it to franchisees and what they have to keep updated to continue selling franchises. So what's in that are a whole lot of good information, right? So it's going to disclose things about the system, about who the franchisor is, who the people are that are involved, what you're getting as a franchisee, what your expectations are in regards to this assistance and support you're getting from the franchisor. The fees will be disclosed in there. The existing franchisees, sometimes some former franchisees are also disclosed in there, depending on when they've left. All sorts of really great information. And its purpose is to give the franchisee candidate a firm grasp of what they're joining and what their obligations and what their responsibilities are and what the franchisor provides to you as a franchisee. It's just designed to really lay that out in very plain English, very simple terms. Now, as bureaucracy has created it, it's huge, right? It sometimes is more confusing for people to look at because it's mandated by the federal law and not by just industry practices.
Right.
It is that those key terms, right? It explains your roles, your responsibility, the assistance you receive, the fees that you're going to be involved in. It lays all of that out very, very simply and easily. You may need help reading it, but it's all in there, right?
Yeah,
So
I tell
it
people a
makes it
lot of
very
times
easy.
I'll be the one to say, it's 250 pages of lawyers talking to
Yeah,
lawyers, right? And so
exactly.
have a lawyer explain it to you. But I mean, the good news is it is a 23 item outline. It's the same from
Yep.
crime scene cleanup to Pizza Hut, that outline.
Yes, exactly.
So how many do you think you've read in the past?
In one year, we do between 250 and three. I think this year we'll hit probably 330. So it depends on
Wow.
the volume of the year. So yeah, I read a lot of them, and then I write a handful a year as well for franchisors. We read a lot. We go through a whole lot of them, and I've been doing this 10 years already. So I think I average probably about 200 a year at this point.
Excellent. Well, thank you. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to take the next step, Integrity Franchise Group is here to help. Click the link below or reach out to us today to schedule an appointment. Let's work together to solve that franchise puzzle and turn your business dreams into reality. We cannot wait to connect with you.